be our athlete, honestly. She was one of the first ones to actually be able to do it on her own. I'm so proud of you.
Jack seemed to get the hang of it pretty well.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Jack left it. Okay, do you want to put your bike down? You want to hold?
It was just something so new to them and so different, so they were just a little bit unsure. Hey, Brenton! So yeah, that caused fussiness. The bike wasn't moving. There he is, yeah, falling over and
My baby has hiccups.
It's okay, you can set it down. You want to set it down? They were crying, even they wouldn't even fall over. It was just their bike was kind of crooked.
What's wrong, Brett?
She said she fell off her bike, but she didn't.
Okay, Brooklyn, can you do it on your own? Okay.
And in all honesty, I mean, I think they are just a little tiny bit young for the bikes. Brent, this helmet's going to be multi-purpose for Brenton. When she throws spin, I mean, it's going to be a learning process.
But I think we'll all be happy in the end.
Jack, don't go in the streets. They're really getting the hang of it. I think they're getting a little bit better.
Let me over, Jack.
I'm going to try to help everyone.
In business.
Have you sold anything yet? No, not yet.
And back at home.
I can no longer invest this kind of time. I have got to disengage.
Is this their breaking point?
Well, don't take it personal.
All new Sister Wives, Sunday at 9 on TLC.
They're all going in the same direction, but in very different ways. And Pampers gives all of them our driest, best-fitting diaper. Pampers Cruisers with 3-way fit, not only with up to 12 hours of protection, they adapt to the waist, legs, and bottom. For all the freedom to move their way. In Pampers' best diaper. Pampers.
What's new from Ziploc?
Ever feel like you have way too much stuff and not enough space? Well, Ziploc helped me turn this into this with Ziploc Space Bag. Just pack your items, seal the Ziploc Space Bag double zipper, and vacuum out the air through the valve. Use Ziploc cube bags for bedding and Ziploc flat bags for clothing. You can triple your storage space with Ziploc Space Bag. S.C. Johnson, a family company.
With my little girl, every food is finger food, so I can't afford to have germy surfaces. But after one day's use, dishcloths can redeposit millions of germs. So ditch your dishcloth and switch to a fresh sheet of new Bounty Duratowel. Look, a fresh sheet of Bounty Duratowel leaves this surface cleaner than a germy dishcloth, as this black light reveals. It's durable,